Okay, hi, I'm Aaron, and the project I did was the Infinity Mirror LED clock, and I chose to do it because it looked really cool, and also like it had a lot of practical functionalities. Like for example, if I wanted to like use this as an actual clock later on, I could also do that. A few modifications I made. Well, the main modification I made was adding an alarm, and because of that, I added a bunch of other modifications. Like for example, I added a numpad for inputting the alarm, and I also added an LCD screen for displaying the AM and PM and also the alarm. But that's kind of buggy right now, so yeah. I'll share the stuff on the phone. So can you guys? Should be called iPhone. Wait, I'm gonna rerun it.
Oh man, that looks so cool.
If you guys don't see it, make sure to switch like the view on your Zoom to be his phone.
Right, still compiling. Okay, yeah, so basically how you read this clock is that red is the minutes. It reads like a 12 hours clock. Red is the minutes. The purple is where the minutes and hours intersect. So right now, like there's a lot more minutes than hours, so there's no blue, but normally hours would be blue. The green thing you see ticking is like the seconds. Right now the LCD is kind of being weird, but normally you would like display the time and stuff. Oh wait. Wait. It's being weird. Yeah. So yeah, normally it'd be displaying stuff, but wait, so right now it's 4:49, so I'll just set a timer for 450. So basically what you do is you press this, actually no, sorry, so I'll do 451. First you press this button, and then say if I want to do 451, I'll have to convert that to PM time. So that's like wait, okay. Let me do this again. Okay, so basically what you have to convert that to PM time, so that's 1650. So I press this and it's 1650, and I press it again, and I'll just wait. Actually, wait, no, it's 651. Never mind. 1651. Okay, so while that's doing, I'll just like continue on my presentation a bit. A few of my challenges that I had was I had a lot of trouble with the wiring. Like for example, I accidentally wired my NeoPixel strip backwards, which took a lot of time to figure out. The LCD is also pretty buggy and it has a lot of really complicated wiring that kept popping up. And also the numpad inputs also used to be very buggy. So yeah, so now it's 12:51 and the alarm sounds, and well, it doesn't sound, but as you can see, like this stuff goes rainbow, and it'll just like stay like that for a little bit. And when it's like kind of like 10 seconds or something, and when it's done, it just goes back to what it was before. Yeah, so a few other challenges were like a lot of the components arrived pretty late. So like for example, I had to like my ring. Originally we ordered a ring, but it was too small, so we ordered another one. The other one came here on Wednesday, so like Wednesday afternoon, so I had to like work pretty fast for that. And also I had to make like the entire case out of cardboard, which was like not something I was expecting. So like a few lessons I learned would be to like work on stuff when you have the chance and like to not put it off. And also that engineering has a lot of like trial and error and has a lot of mistakes. Yeah. Any questions?
I have one question. Are you at the point where you're able to just look at the clock and read it yet? Or is it still like you have to kind of think about it?
I mean, I guess you could you could read it pretty easily, I guess. I mean, like, since like the ring was like, okay, so like the ring we got was like a thing from like a pressure cooker. So like, because like that was the only thing that fit the like the specifications, but that's a little big. So like this isn't a perfect circle, so that might make it kind of hard. But besides that, it's like pretty easy to read.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I also have a question. What do you think is like the hardest component that you had to like get for your project? What was the hardest to get to work?
LCD probably, because there's like I think there's like 12 different wires you have to do, and like since okay, before I soldered everything together, like the holes were really loose, so like I would just like put like a few in and another few will fall out. So